everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 19th to the 23rd of October 2020 on Monday. Ayanda isn't happy to hear what Teddy is up to. Lisa's housemates are fed up with her nagging. The DLA receives troubling news on Tuesday. Mpo witnesses a kiss which leaves him very confused. Gerard must think on his feet when he's caught in the act. Lucy is not about to let her brother die in front of her eyes on Wednesday. Bella receives a tip-off and decides to follow up on it. How far will a mother go to protect her child? Spare is complicating Gaddafi's life without even knowing it on Thursday. Cosmo tried to strike up conversation with the attacker. Wednesday won't help Notle takes matter into her own hands. The boys are delighted about their new home brew until they taste it on Friday. Instead of being put off by the truth, Gerard is more determined than ever. Nokolo wants to take a stand, but Wupalisa agree. Lucy demands justice for her brother. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. If you want the full episode, I will leave the link on the comment section. Bye.